In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix if your printer is not working on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in troubleshoot. Best result should say troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right panel, select additional troubleshooters. And before you select a printer troubleshooter here, I'd make sure your printer is turned on, that there's ink in the printer in the cartridges, as well as that there's paper loaded in the printer tray. See if that might be causing part of the problem. If not, again, make sure your printer's turned on and then proceed with the printer troubleshooter here. Follow along with all of the on-screen directions on how to hopefully remedy the issue. Apply whatever fixes it recommends, and then hopefully you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.